Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to download GTA 5 on PC. So let's get started. First, open the Steam app on your computer. Once you're in Steam, go to the Store tab and use the search bar to type in GTA 5. Click on the game when it appears in the results. Since GTA 5 is rated for 18+, Steam will ask you to enter your birthday to confirm your age. After you do that, the game page will show two versions of GTA 5. Choose the one you prefer and tap Add to Cart. Then, go to View Cart. In your cart, tap Continue to Payment. Select your preferred payment method, enter your payment details, and then click Buy. After completing your purchase, GTA 5 will be added to your Steam library. Finally, go to your library, find GTA 5, and click Install. The game will start downloading and installing on your computer. Once it's done, you can start playing. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.